When creating a new list, we also have a Templates tab. Any list can be saved as a template and reused as needed. I've created a new Team Project list that has several sections and reminders within each of those. If this layout is something that will be used again or on a regular basis, saving it as a template will be a good idea. To do so, tap the List Options button up here and Save as Template. We can then edit the name and save. As we work through this project, details could be added or changes made to the sections and reminders in the Team Project list. When the project is complete, we could just delete this list or archive it into a folder. When starting a new similar project, we can just create a new list using the saved template. That adds the list as it looked when originally saved as a template, making it easier to start over with a new project. Next up, we will look at using tags to organize reminders.